678. Back to the channel, everybody. I hope you're having a great day, and I appreciate you clicking on today's video. We have a very, very fun one today. We're switching from the American Muscle, and we are going to a German car. Foster's about to be here in his G80 that makes, I think, 800 wheel horsepower, and apparently that was not enough for him. So they did a fuel system yesterday installation, and now we're going to dyno tune this thing to hopefully make a little bit more power. This is going to be my first time in any sort of, I guess, BMW that is not bone stock. There's tons of hype on this platform. I personally haven't seen it, but I also haven't been in a fast one. So today we're going to see what that's all about. I hope you guys enjoy. Sit back, relax. Let's get into today's video.
Here he is. Here's the infamous. I want to see what all this hype is. All right. Jeez. He's going to want me to show him off. Here's his chrome-plated TEs, so I can't say I didn't show him. Mr. Mad detailing himself.
Ready to ride an actual fast car?
Oh my lord. BMW things to check his ethanol content. Rather than testing it at the pump like normal people, he gets to just push his cruise control button and it shows him on his RPM gauge. So this is what, about 80% ethanol. Not too bad, kind of cool, you know. American Muscle's a little bit cooler. All right, we're pulling up to PSI just in time because Foster got a nice brand new check engine light. I'm not really convinced on these Germans yet, dude. Problems on problems.
Wait for it, wait.
Problems on problems. Hopefully when we leave here, you can show me what it's all about. But right now...
There's another M3 on the dyno.
Hey, what's your power goal today? What do you want that number to say?
I like 850.
850.
We hit 850 before, but they had to turn it down because it was spinning. They said it was making it like a little over 9. So.
All right. 850.
No spinning and 850, I'm happy.
850.
850.
Then we're going to have to go up for some 60 to 130s after. We got a ton of modifications. We got the hood pop now. What makes this this Beamer so special, Foster?
We got pure 850 turbos. We have a CSF intake manifold. There's a port injection kit under there. So we have port injection. We have Project Gamma intakes. We have a catalyst downpipe, a boost logic exhaust, and also sent the DME off to Finland to have them unlocked. A bunch of reflex stuff. The car's on full E85. And yeah, it's only cost me like $2 grand to get to this point, so these cars are super cheap.
Yeah. Something like that. $2 grand.
2,000 likes. Parker's gonna buy a G80.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is. Bro.
That doesn't magically make $100,000 appear in my bank account.
Alright, so you guys know what to do. Unsubscribe. Since the car is X-Drive, and this is not a all-wheel drive dyno, they actually have to disable the X-Drive mode, put it in rear-wheel drive, so they can actually tune the car into dyno. So they gotta get on the lift, unhook some stuff, and then it'll be rear-wheel drive.
It'll be rear-wheel drive. Are you short as hell?
Typical BMW, having to go right back in the shop, dude. This is why I stick to Mustangs right here. I will admit, the rear end does look kind of neat. All this piping hanging down, but unfortunately these things just live in the shop, so that's why I don't have one. Alright, just loaded up onto the dyno to go make a whopping 812 wheel horsepower. Everybody guess power level. Closest in the comments, Foster's gonna send $10,000 to.
Oh!
there's a little bit of a heat soaking issue, and the car is also spinning on the dyno, so they're going to let the car cool off, look over the logs, make some adjustments, and then this next pull, Foster's going to stand in the trunk to bring the weight of the car and the rear down a little bit, and he's hoping to get a little closer to that 850 wheel horsepower mark.
Whatever works, I guess.
Look at that. 825. 825, 709. 709 pound-foot of torque. So it works. How do we feel about that one? A little better?
A little better.
Not gonna lie, the more I sit here and look at the G80, I kind of like it and I kind of want one, but I see how much money Foster's spending, and I don't really want to do that, so I'll hold off for now and live through Foster. 829 and 700.
Getting there.
829, 700.
20 more.
That's nice. $838, 678.
Lost a little torque, but gained a little horse.
838.
838. Does that make you a little happier?
Almost 10 more.
That is where we are going to hold things off as far as the dyno goes. 838 wheel horsepower and I think 678 torque. They toned it back a little bit on the torque because of the stock trans. Foster said he's going to build the motor, build the trans, because he wants to make 1200. So I guess now we shouldn't be breaking up as much. We shouldn't be breaking up at all, but we're going to go out onto the street, do some test hits, and finally get to feel what this power feels like without any interruption.
We're actually going to be able to try it this time.
I don't know.
She's going to be breaking up a little bit.
Bro, I've dealt with this for like 2 months now, so I'm like low-key scared to just even get on the car.
I'm going to get on hard.
If it breaks up again though, like, that's it. Like, it is what it is.
Just sell it.
Sell it. Sell it and get a little,
I'll buy it from
a
you.
little wimpy Mustang.
35K.
35K.
Yeah. I mean, if it's busted,
35K.
can't even do pulls on
I'll
it.
sell it to you for 35K if you delete your TikTok.
Give me like 2 months. All right, we pulled up to Titan Motorsports, and they said that they're going to give me a ride
In a 1600 wheel horsepower Audi R8, so hopefully I live. This should be sick.
That sounds odd. I already want to buy one.
Do like a full race mode, and then you gotta completely turn off the traction control. So leave it on for a couple of seconds, and it'll say that. And so we'll do like a third gear pull just to see if it hooks. It should hook at this power level.
Oh my lord. regular program.
Eat shit.
Regular program in the poverty G80. We're gonna get our first pulls post-tune. See what this thing can do.
Waiting for Foster to get here. I'm gonna take the Insta360 mount off of the S650 and we're gonna get some pulls in Mexico with the G80 M3. This is actually like a week after this last update because the car was still breaking up. They had to change the reflex, get it retuned. It made 875 wheel, so should be a little quicker.
Hey, is he gonna blow up this time?
Hope so.
This thing's got one good thing going for it, and so it looks good.
Saw that. I don't know, we're about to hit big. If that hits, that's fucking big. Fuck! This. Holy shit. Some money.
What's that for?
I don't know, I guess you're gonna have to wait till the next video.